Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to another episode of NumberRoyale. We've got Ratna MJ, Vanu, Cool Math, Srinidhi, Mango Math Star, Like Numbers, Hariharan KS, Eastman, Harita Shri, Richard, Chacha, let's see, Star, Kumaran, Sai, let's see who else. Cuckoo is here, Maniraja, Hariharan KS, and welcome everybody. I'm glad you're all staying safe and healthy. We've got the most distinct or the distinct version of the game being played today. Total price is $5 shared by 20 people. What does distinct means? You answer the puzzles correctly, and the more distinct your answer, you get more points. If nobody else gives your answer, that means your answer is unique, you get more the maximum amount of points. All right, so that's basically where we are, and I'm glad you're here. Let's before we get started, a simple puzzle. What's the difference between a schoolboy studying and a farmer watching his cattle? Difference between a schoolboy studying and a farmer watching his cattle. Thank you, Cuckoo, about your comments about the music. Any feedback? Muttering? Boy and a man. That's a difference, but they're doing something, right? That's what we're looking for. All right, while you are thinking about it, why don't we get started? And so we've got the distinct match coming up, and we've got question number one. Question number one right now. 2, 7, and 5. The desired result is 4. Addition and subtraction are the only operators. 8 possible solutions, and you know the drill, right? It's pretty easy, but the trick is in figuring out what the others are doing, right? So you've got to do something that the others are not doing. So zig while everybody else is zagging. There are 40 of you have given the correct answer. 44 is the maximum point. 39 and 39 is the lowest. 44 is the highest. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 minus 5 equal to 4 gives you 44 points. And that probably is a unique answer. So great job. I'm glad everybody's staying in a tight band, 44 to 39. And let's go to question number 2. 9, 11, and 3. The desired result is 33. All 4 operators available, 4 solutions. So how do you get 9, 11, and 3? The desired result is 33. Eastman, of course you are right. Stalking his mind and minding stocks. Excellent. So congratulations, Eastman. And there are 33 of you have gotten this. Anytime there is a division, looks like there is an issue there. And the creative solution was 11 times 9. Go to a big number and then divide by 3 gets you 33. And that got the leader 43 points. The leader's at 86. And the lowest point was 26. So it looks like a lot of you got the same answer, probably 9 divided by 3. So let's take a look at question 3. 7, 6, and 2. There are only 2 possible solutions. Desired result is 28, and all 4 operators are available to you. So it's a pretty simple, straightforward one. You got 7, you got 28, and you know the drill. How do you get 28 and you got 6 and 2 remaining? So let's take a look. And how many of you? 28 of you have gotten the correct answer. Was it that difficult? 6 minus 2 is 4, and then 7 times 4 gets you 28. The band is 32 maximum, 26 is the minimum points. and 28 of you got it. So I guess 6 minus 2 was the difficult thing there. So let's move on to question 4 and take a look. 9.2, 9.125, 3.5, and 1.3. Addition and subtraction are in play. The desired result is 2.275. 60 possible solutions. And Hariharan, you haven't lost anything yet. I mean, you've got several more questions coming up, so you can always catch up. That's the beauty of this mode of play. You're not lost. So 26 of you have gotten the correct answer. And let's see, was it a bit difficult? I guess you got 9.125 minus 3.5 and then 9.2 minus that. Gets you 40 points. Maximum is 40, minimum is 32. So remember, in this one, you can come back with a unique answer and get more points than the others. So you're never out of the running. All right. So let's take a look at question number 5. 64 is what we are looking for. 6, 3, 11, and 5. All 4 operators are in play. 44 possible solutions. And let's see how many of them you are able to come up with. The maximum number of solutions you can come up with, the maximum points you can get. There's 44 of you can all get easy, get maximum points. So let's take a look. 35 of you have gotten this. So great job. Leaders at 188 points. For this puzzle, the maximum point was 39 and the lowest was 29. 11 times 5 got you 55, plus 3 is 58, plus 6, that got you 64. That's the maximum point. And let's go take a look at the next question. 18, 6, 15, and 16. Desired result is 93. All 4 operators are in play, and I was thinking when I saw these big numbers that it's going to be trouble, but it looks like an easy one. 24 possible solutions. Cuckoo says he's only at 69. No problem. You never know. Let's see, the leaders, not a whole lot. It's 228. So 29 of you have gotten the correct answer. Maximum points is 40. Minimum is 32. So you've got 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then 15 plus 16 is 93. Multiply 3 times 31 gets you 93. So that's the maximum point obtained by the leader. So let's take a look at question number 7. Question 7, fractions. Desired result is 5/8. There are only 2 possible solutions. 3/4, 4/3, and 3/8. All 4 operators are available. Let's take a look at how you solve this. Let's take a look at and while you are if you're concerned about your points, which you may be, just spend a few minutes practicing, and that may help. So only 20 of you got it right, and there's not a whole lot of difference. 32 was the maximum and 30 was the lower score. So I guess half and half got the puzzles correct. 4/3 times 3/4, I guess that gives you 1 minus 3 by 8 gives you 5/8. Once you've given me the solution, it looks pretty simple. So great job, everyone. Leaders at 258. Let's go take a look at question 8. 8, 12, 19, and 6. All 4 operators are in play. Desired result is 71. 8 possible solutions. And how do you get 71? I was thinking 6 times 12, but that gets you 72. No, that's probably not the right one. So maybe. And you have never lost. I mean, the fact that you are playing the game, it means you're a winner, right? There are billions of others who don't, and you're improving yourself. You're a winner right there. So 28 of you have given the correct solution. 39 is the maximum point. 27 is the minimum. 12 times 8, oh, that's 96 minus 19 plus 6 is 71. Great job. And 39 is the highest. 27 is the lowest. Leaders at 296 points as we move on to algebra. X plus 4y, 5x plus y, 17. And addition and subtraction are in play. We've got x equal, desired result is 15. And what values of x and y are going to give you the answers? 24 possible solutions. I almost blurted out the answer, and I'm glad I held my tongue before reading off the answer. But I'm sure you would have solved it. I'm curious to see what answers you got. 1, 2 gets you the answer. Great, Joker. 2, Sujata says, and that's correct. That's the answer I was going to blurt out. So 39 is the maximum point, and 32. And Hanok says, he's got solved all of them and got only 59. And that's because you've been giving the solutions that are most popular, Hanok. And I know Eastman also has been giving, I think he made a comment a couple of days ago. It's because you're giving not unique or distinct answers, you're giving the answer that everybody else is giving. So think about what everybody else is doing, and so as I said, zig while others are zagging. If everybody says 1 plus 2, you say 2 plus 1, right? That's how you get more points. All right. Great job, everyone. Let's go take a look at who the winners are. 20 winners. Birdie Flurry at the lead. He must have figured out the code or cracked the code on getting, and 247 gets you into this leaderboard here. Birdie Flurry at 334, North Star 90 at 332. Such a close match, just 2-point difference. Sujata is just 15 points behind. Kausalya is 315. Boy, it's a very close match. So you guys or gals have figured out the code and you know how to get maximum points. Great job, everyone. And we've got Raj Murugan, Rasiga Venkat, P. Sanjay, Richard, Black Mamba, Joker, Jeffy, you know me, Strange Thinker, Shah, Ratna MJ, what's poppin'? Cool Matt, Mango Matt Star, Harita Sri, and Bonesh in the